Will the Trump administration keep that promise, especially since Somalia is one of the 7 Muslim-majority countries whose citizens are blocked from entering the United States by the disputed travel ban? Michael Klein is an Africa analyst. He joins me now from New York. Michael, welcome.
Hi, Asiya. Thank you. Yeah, I don't think it's surprising necessarily, given that the 7 countries represent states that are either state sponsors of terrorism or essentially failed states. Somalia really represents a nexus of that with Al-Shabaab, an Al-Qaeda-linked terrorist organization, and even ISIS-linked organizations, and what has been a non-functioning government for basically the past 22 years. Unfortunately, there is a very significant Somali diaspora in the United States that's being possibly separated and torn apart from their families. But among the 7 countries, I don't see, even with the optimism on the ground in Mogadishu and in Africa circles, I don't see the ban, it necessarily affecting the ban anytime soon, as long as it's underway.
What else can we expect as far as relations with Somalia go under President Trump?
Right. Well, you know, for the diplomatic, the diplomatic pushers, when you talk about whether diplomatic versus military strategies, this unexpected result of Farmajo winning really was a boon, in that he was seen as the least corrupt as the final contenders in an election that just was staggering in terms of how open corruption was, with thousands, even millions of dollars changing hands for votes. Farmajo was actually not the candidate